Good evening. This is Suryansh Mishra, and I'm part of the group Model Builders from the Anveshan Hackathon, Cluster Data Science. And for my group, that is Model Builders, none of my teammates could sadly join, so I have done all the work and I'll be presenting to you my Spot the Scam AI powered high level NLP system. So, job scams are a growing threat, and with fraudsters posing fake listings to steal personal data or money, traditional keyword-based data detection fails because of their evolving tactics with their use of AI, which improves their grammar or which already understands how frauds get caught, and them specifically improving on that point. We need a better trained NLP, which is specializing with thousands of data, which is trained with thousands of data and specializes in catching fraud job postings. So the solution, of course, comes down to it, a machine learning system that analyzes job descriptions using high-level NLP, predicts fraud possibilities with an 89.3% accuracy or a 0.88 F1 score, provides real-time API and an interactive dashboard. For my tech stack, I used Python, Fast API, and SQLite for the backend. For the machine learning aspect of it, the Scikit-learn, the TF-IDF version, and random forest worked wonders. The dashboard, of course, was using Streamlit, and the explainability, and which was an extra criteria, the SHAP. The deployment was used Streamlit, uh, was used Streamlit was used for the deployment of the application as it was easier. External parties made it harder, and it's generally a headache. The core system architecture consists of data ingestion and pre-processing, fraud detection model, and a user interface API. Job The whole system goes in a few blocks, which starts from job listings, which is your CSV and APIs, comes down to data cleaning, comes down to TF-IDF vectorization, random forest classifier, the fraud probability tester, and then the dashboard, which is your API output. In the data pre-processing handles raw job listings, that is your CSV files that we upload from the test data, and prepares them for ML. In the key steps, we text clean, remove noise, lowercase, strip special characters, while also feature merging, combining title and description for NLP. In the machine learning pipeline, we use TF-IDF plus random forest for fraud classification. Why we use TF-IDF is because it captures keyword importances and it's better than count vectorizer. In the random forest it handles imbalanced data and the interpretable robust. We will show the training code just ahead. The third prospect is your real-time fraud detection API, a fast API endpoint for scanning the jobs in real time. Then we come down to the interactive dashboard, which is the trickiest part of it because you can train all of the data, you can get all the outputs, but to display it and to actually visualize it, to clean it, and to present it is the biggest challenge in my opinion. So the interactive dashboard, which we host using Streamlit, is a user-friendly UI for batch analysis, and here it clearly allows you to upload a CSV of job listings, visualize fraud risk distribution with an explainable AI, sharp for model transparency. When we come down to the performance and optimization, the model metrics, the F1 score comes down to 89.3. The uh, the F1 score comes down to 0.88 and the accuracy comes down to 89.3. And the scalability is massive because currently the processes are around 1,000 jobs per second with the uh, test data that we presented. Then we could also include and incorporate a few future developments like deep learning using BERT, better semantic understanding, active learning, improve model with user feedback, graph analysis where detecting scam networks combined with the visualization we do could improve far better. In conclusion, Spot the Scam is a production ready fraud detection system that achieves an 89.3% accuracy rate, works in real time with API plus dashboard, explains predictions with SHAP, and the GitHub and the demo video links will be provided. Thank you very much. Uh, I appreciate you listening to it and for presenting me this opportunity. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.